Hello everyone, this is Ashmita and here we are solving IIT JAM Biotechnology paper of 2024 and here the question says which of the following is or are lateral meristems? The lateral meristems are responsible for secondary growth in plants leading to an increase in the girth or the thickness. The two main lateral meristems are the vascular cambium and the quark cambium. Okay. Now the correct answer is A and D because I have already told these two right now. The quark cambium, this is a lateral meristem and it is responsible for the formation of cork cells in the outer bark of the woody plants. And coming to option D, that's vascular cambium. Vascular cambium is another lateral meristem responsible for the production of secondary xylem and phloem, contributing to the growth in thickness of stems and roots. Okay, so yeah, both of them are correct. Next question, which of the following statement or statements about golden rice are correct? Okay, first is which of the statement or statements they have said. So more than one we can choose. Consumption of it increases vitamin A levels, yes. D levels, no. K levels, no. It is a transgenic crop containing the beta carotene, yes, this will go D. So golden rice, what it is actually, it's a genetically modified, it is genetically modified to produce the beta carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, and this modification aims to address the vitamin A deficiency in the populations that rely heavily on rice as a staple food. Okay, so therefore options A and D would be the correct ones, and B and C, they do not increase the vitamin D or vitamin A, K levels. Okay. So yeah, moving over to the next question. Which of the following statement or statements about eukaryotic DNA topoisomerase is or are correct? Topoisomerase, okay, topoisomerase 1 creates the transient single strand breaks. This would be correct, and topoisomerase 2 creates the transient double strand breaks. Okay, this would go. So topoisomerase 1 is involved in relieving the tension by creating transient single strand breaks, allowing the DNA strands to rotate. And topoisomerase the second, in contrast, is capable of creating transient double strand breaks, okay, which is important for processes like untangling intertwined DNA strands during replication and recombination. So A and D, these are correct. All right, let's move over to the next question. Next is, which of the following method or methods are used to estimate the protein concentration? It would be Lowry. Okay, here the yes, this would be the correct answer. Moving over to the next question. Which of the following is or are the examples of a lotic ecosystem? Now, lotic ecosystems are freshwater ecosystems which are characterized by flowing water such as rivers and streams. Therefore, the correct examples of lotic ecosystems are river and stream. Okay, so both rivers and streams are dynamic freshwater systems with continuous flow, distinguishing them from the lentic ecosystems like lakes and ponds where the water is relatively still. Okay, so yeah, these are the two things. And yeah, let's keep the video till here today. If you want to practice with me for any kind of entrance exams, if you want to prepare with me, then you can join our classes for that. Thank you for being with me till the end. Let's meet again in the other videos. If you want to join our classes, go through the description box, please. You will get all the details. And if you have any queries further, then you can post down your comments below.